video, we will learn how to install modules on Worksuite application. The first step is login as admin. And then select settings from the menu. Then go to module setting, select custom modules, and from here click on install and update module. The step 1 is to upload the file that we have downloaded from the code canyon. But before uploading, remember one thing. This is the file that we have downloaded from the code canyon. We have to upload the asset.zip and not the code canyon this zip file. So remember, we will first unzip the folder and then go inside and select asset.zip. Okay, let's upload. So before going that, let's upload this and see what happens. So we have uploaded. Now let's click on install. Here we are getting the zip that you are trying to upload is not a valid. So we are uploading it wrong. Delete this zip file and install the correct one, which is inside this. This is asset.zip. Now click install. We are logged out. This means the module is successfully installed. Let's log in again and see if the module is installed successfully or not. Go to settings, custom modules. See if the custom module that you have installed, the status is active. Once active, verify the purchase code from here. After that, once the status is active, reload the page and you will see assets menu at the corner. Click it. So asset module is installed successfully.